So to begin this episode, let me tell you a little story. There once was a beautiful tree. It was a small tree, but it grew all over the spring and over the summer, and then the winter came and it died. Of course, you know the story didn't end there. The tree grew again in spring and summer because everything in this world is cyclical. And this is what people don't understand. If prices go up, they think, yeah, it only goes up forever. And if it drops, they think, okay, we only go down from there to 1, then to 0, then to minus $1 trillion. No, it won't work this way. Finance is as the world is, as nature is. It's all cyclical. This is nothing but a disclaimer for this episode, because I think in the long term Bitcoin and crypto has already succeeded. We've already won. Bitcoin and the biggest asset managers in this world have already stated they want to tokenize the world, they want to use blockchain, and this is why crypto has already won. If you're in crypto, you might already be some kind of millionaire. If we are talking about dollars then in the future, I don't know about that, but we've already won. So keep that in mind. We are right now at a pretty strange state of the market, and I can absolutely not say where we are going next. We could drop to 30,000, 26,000, we're gonna hear that number, dollars, or we can rise to 250,000 in the next 2 months. Everything can happen. But let's get into the things I want to show you. So first question for you, where are we right now? Do you think we are here in the bear trap, or do you think we are here in the bull trap? If we are in the bull trap, we're gonna see a leg up until 120,000, something like that, and boom, we are in the bear market. If we are here, we can see astronomical numbers, so 250k might be even possible. I will show you now some evidence, I would call that, and some people speaking out about this and their predictions, and you can make your own opinion out of that. First one is Tom Lee, a big name in the space and in finance. He says in the next 75 days, and this is also what lead analysis say, if we are going to have a top, it will be in 2025, because coming 2026, we will see a bear market. This is pretty much, everybody has this in common, this opinion. So we might see 250k. Next one is this gentleman. Andrew Tate says we're gonna see 26,000 in about the next 3 months, I guess. I don't know if he specifies it, but I think, yeah. I like the top comment. Bottom signal. Yeah, that's cool. If everyone is bearish, usually the market gives you a slap or some hammer on the head, and exactly the opposite is happening. But as long as we have people bull posting like that, and right now we have a 50-50 situation, and that is the thing that makes me so uncomfortable. Okay, we have top 250, we have bottom 26k. Maybe, I don't want to make predictions, but I don't think we're going to see 26,000 ever again. I think the bottom will be 45,000, this bear market. Next one. This one I liked. That's bullish. In every bull market and every time we saw Bitcoin rise again, we had drops like that. 19%, it went up again. And here, 80% went up again. We had a 16%, went up again. Here we had 22%, went up again. And now we have, even though that's a logarithmic chart, we have here 18% drop. So what happens on Monday, we don't know, but this already occurred many times. And even in the biggest bull markets, we had larger drops. And 18% drop is not the end of the world. So maybe we see another leg up. So if there wasn't this one, this made me bearish, because if we follow pattern, I already told you, everything is cyclical. And if we trust the numbers, we had about 364 days in the bear market after the bull run 2013, 2014. Then 1064 days of bull, and the pattern repeats. And right now we are, I think, at day 1051 or something. So we have 2 weeks left of bull market. I don't know about that. But if that repeats, we are already in a bear market and we have already seen the top. So in the long run, what we're gonna see, Bitcoin will succeed. Crypto will succeed. Why I think that? Jamie Dimon from JP Morgan Chase, and one of the most powerful financial entities in the whole world, he says Bitcoin is worthless. Warren Buffett, famous quote from him, says Bitcoin is red poison. He even said red poison squared. And now, what do we see? Warren Buffett, his company Berkshire Hathaway invested in Nubank, and Nubank is a crypto trading platform. Why should he invest in it if he says it's rat poison? So, and the other guy, what did he say? Bitcoin is worthless. So what did he do? In 2025, his bank JP Morgan Chase & Co. announced it will allow clients to buy Bitcoin. They caved in. If you can't fight it, join it. It's that easy. So, from here, all we have heard today, let's get into the stats. Right now, it's Sunday, we're at 107,000. We know and we trust the guy. If we drop below 100,000 on a weekly candle, I think the bull run is over. This doesn't happen. If the rest of Sunday stays like this, and if the rest of Sunday we drop below 100,000, I think it's over. But this looks pretty healthy right now. So we are stable here. We are in fear, which I tend to rather like it. We are again back to Bitcoin season and we are slightly oversold. So everything looks quite calm. But from here on, everything can happen. So if we look in the chart, it looks like we have found support somewhere here from this last high. It's pretty hard to make some predictions here, as I stated in the intro. So where do we want to go? It depends. People right now, I accidentally deleted all the posts. I've bookmarked everything, but I didn't bookmark it at all. So many people are buying huge amounts right now. So many people are selling huge amounts right now. A lot of people place enormous long positions and a lot of people place enormous short positions. It's an absolute coin flip right now, and that's quite concerning. For me and for you, that should be your goal overall. You just buy and hold. Don't let that mess get into your head. Just hold and chill. If the price drops, buy some more or wait for the bear market. And even if we had our top, and if we have another top or another all-time high, this bull runner won't sell. It just won't sell. I can tell you why. I just have a gut feeling that something really crazy might happen. That's it from me today. If you found this kind of helpful or made you think a bit about everything that's happening right now, give me a like and a subscription, and I'm gonna see you in the next one, probably on Wednesday. And see you in the next one. Bye.